afternoon and welcome to the Humidor Report. Justin here from Beaumont's very own cigar club with a new giveaway. This one going to be from the good folks at Forged and the Diesel brand. If you are not familiar with Diesel, it's been around for quite a while, but it is made by AJ Fernandez. So if you've had anything from AJ's portfolio or any of the various other blends he's making for everybody else in the game right now, then you're familiar with what AJ is up to. Nicaraguan through and through for the most part, pretty full-bodied and aggressive across the board. So if that is your thing, then that is what you are going to be buying in order to try and win this fantastic little mobile barbecue pit. Obviously good for tailgaters or travelers, but this thing, it does have a Diesel logo that might be a little hard to see on the camera there, but you do have a nice little Diesel logo on the front there. And once this thing opens up and flattens out, we see what it is going to take for you to win this barbecue pit, and we're going to tell you about that guy here in a minute. But this little guy, the top folds flat, and it gives you a little tray. Once you pull your things off the grill over here, gives you a little extra space that's not over your direct heat. But the thing's super light. It looks really convenient too. So if you don't have if you're not cooking for 300 people, this could be a lot of fun, something to kind of throw in the back of the truck and make for a little weekender. Now, how are you going to win this thing? You're going to win it by buying the brand new limited edition Diesel Backyard BBQ Series pulled pork. That is this guy that we have here. Now, it is a limited edition offering. They were made available in these 10-count boxes, but we're going to break these up and we're going to sell them individually. So that's what it looks like right there. Your 5-inch by 54 ring gauge. So it's like a Robusto Gordo is what they call it. Got your Robusto link, but it's pretty fat and chunky there, moving towards that 60 ring gauge. But for this backyard barbecue pulled pork, the idea here is it was inspired by North Carolina BBQ specifically. So that is what they were going for with this one. Your tobacco breakdown on it is we have a Habano Rosado wrapper from an undisclosed location. There is a Jalapa binder from Nicaragua, and the filler has got some Honduran Jamastran tobacco and some Nicaraguan tobacco from Esteli and Condega. Now, they only have made 2,000 of these 10-count boxes, so that is a 20,000 stick run, one and done. But way we're going to do this is for each single stick bought, we're going to throw a ticket in the hat to win the barbecue pit. Now, we have 100 cigars, so that is 100 possible entries for this. If you want to come in and buy boxes, by all means, that's getting you all that more entries in the hat to take this little thing home. Now, how long is this promo going to run? Not entirely sure. It's going to depend on how long it takes you guys and gals to get down here, snatch up all these pulled porks, and when they are gone and the bucket is full, we will draw to see who gets to take this nifty little travel barbecue pit home. So that is the new Diesel Backyard BBQ pulled pork limited edition cigar and our Diesel barbecue pit giveaway. Starting now, underway, so make your way over here and get them while you can before all your chances to win are gone. Well, that's going to wrap us up for this week's episode of the Humidor Report. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already so you can stay up to date on what is hip and happening here at Cigar Club. That'll do us for this week, and we will be back hopefully next week. And until then, I'm Justin, and we'll see you at the club.